The coronavirus is new. It's not like the flu that's been around for a long time, so the unknowns can be especially scary for people. And while it is serious, there is such a thing as being overly panicked or being too anxious. Today we spoke with an expert about how to keep anxiety at more healthy levels. We headed over to Portland State University to talk to Dr. Lauren Frank. She specializes in health communication and studies how people make decisions and respond in health crises. She says often the level of fear or anxiety people have is associated with their perception of the risk.
We tend to feel like, oh, this is even riskier than it really is.
Frank says there are a couple ways people tend to try to control their fear. Either we do something to make us feel safer, or we downplay the seriousness of the situation altogether.
We're trying to balance it. We don't want to overreact, but we simultaneously want to be doing what we can in order to make sure that we're keeping those we love and ourselves as safe as possible.
But she says it is possible to become overly panicked. For instance, these posts on social media that many of us have seen showing store shelves completely cleared out of things like hand sanitizer and toilet paper. Frank says this happens when people try to take control of the situation, which can be detrimental.
So if we're clearing out all of the stockpiles of a store, then we're probably not leaving enough hand sanitizer and things for other folks. And that actually can make it harder and make the whole community more at risk.
Bottom line, she says there are a couple ways people can keep their anxiety in check. For one, we've heard it before, wash your hands. Second, keep tabs on information from credible sources like the CDC.